Okay, children, now we'll start with area related to circles. Okay, in this we're talking about perimeter and area of a circle, and nothing new for you. You're already familiar with these formulas. Okay, so you know perimeter of a circle is known as circumference, and which is given by the formula 2 pi r. Right, so you're already familiar with all these formulas. And next is for area of a triangle, which is pi r square. Okay, area of a triangle is pi r square. They've given you the explanation how the formulas are derived, so if you want you can read through them, go through the example. I am coming straight away to exercise 12.1, which is based on these two formulas. Okay, so like the first question here is saying the radii of two circles is given to you as 19 centimeter and 9 centimeters respectively. You have to find radius of a circle which has circumference equal to the sum of these two circumferences. Okay, so a simple question, you can do it easily. Any class 7-8 question child will be able to do it. But what is important here is that, see, there are two ways you can do that question. You can first find circumference of the first circle, then you can find circumference of the second, then you add the two results, then equate that to the new circumference, and then find r. Okay, but if you do it in the form of equation, now you learn to do it in the form of equation, because that makes your calculation easy, as I've done it here. See, radius, two radii were given to you, and you were given the condition that the circumference of the circle we are talking about is equal to the sum of these two circumferences. So that's how I've depicted that. Okay, so circumference of the first circle will be 2 pi its radius and 2 pi of the other one's radius, and obviously circumference of, if you say capital R is the radius of the circle we are talking about, then 2 pi r. So ये पूरा equation form में लिख दिया हमने. इसका advantage क्या है? See in the next step, you can take 2 pi common from here. Okay, so it will become 2 pi. This is radius 1 and this is radius 2. The other side also by formula circumference is 2 pi r. So what is happening is 2 pi and 2 pi is getting cancelled. तो आपका कैलकुलेशन रिड्यूस हो गया यहाँ. नहीं तो आप यहाँ से 2 इंटू पाई इंटू आर पूरा कैलकुलेट करते, फिर यहाँ से करते, फिर उनका एडिशन करते, फिर डिविजन करते. इट वुड टेक क्वाइट लॉन्ग. सो एज यू कैन सी हियर इन 2 steps you got your solution. So your r, which we wanted to evaluate, has been obtained as 19 plus 9, which is 28 centimeter. ओके, तो नाउ यू लर्न टू डू द क्वेश्चंस इन दिस फॉर्म. इक्वेशन बना के आधी चीज़ें कैंसिल हो जाती हैं, तो हमारा कैलकुलेशन टाइम सेव हो जाता है. ओके, लाइक फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नाउ दे हैव गिवन यू अगेन two radii are given, and they are saying ki area of the new circle is equal to area of these two, sum of the area of these two. So we've done the same way here for the second one also. We've written area is area 1 plus area 2. So area होता है आपका pi r square. So हमने इसे कर दिया pi radius 1 square, pi radius 2 was given as 6. तो अगेन इन दोनों से pi कॉमन आ गया. इधर भी एरिया की बात थी, तो एरिया pi r square, your pi and pi again got cancelled. So you straight away got your r square equal to 64. 8 square is 64, 6 square 36, 64 plus 36 is 100. इसको हमने स्क्वायर फॉर्म में लिख दिया बिकॉज हमें रेडियस निकालना था. अब हम स्क्वायर स्क्वायर कैंसिल कर लेंगे बोलो, या अंडर रूट फाइंड करेंगे. अंडर रूट ऑफ 100 इज 10. सो द रेडियस ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर सर्कल विल बी 10. फाइन. तो ऐसे इक्वेशन में लिख के आपको खुद दिख रहा होगा, कैलकुलेशंस रियली बिकम सिंपलर. ओके, नाउ फॉर द थर्ड वन, this figure is given to you, children. Okay, so this depicts an archery target which is marked with 5 regions. The innermost gold, then red, then blue, black, white have been shown. Okay, then the diameters of the region of this inner one, this is 21, and each of the other bends फिर ये thickness given है आपको. Each of this thickness is 10.5. You have to find the area of each of these 5 scoring regions. Okay, so for the gold portion it is quite simple because gold is in a circular form. Straight away it is nothing but a circle, and area of circle we know is pi r square. Okay, so area of the golden region, its diameter was 21, so its radius we'll have to find will be 21 by 2. Half कर दिया हमने. So area of the golden region is pi r square. Okay, we've used that formula. So calculating, while putting the value of pi 22 by 7, then r 21 whatever got cancelled, we end up getting the area of the circular region or the golden region as 346.5 centimeter square. Children, be very particular about your units now in this topic and the next following one. units are actually in maths and physics everywhere important, okay, but now they are being very strict in board exam. Earlier they used to wave off कि okay चलो नहीं लिखा है यूनिट तो कोई बात नहीं, बट अभी आराम से तुम्हारे फटाफट हाफ मार्क डिडक्ट हो जाएंगे, ओके. सो बी वेरी केयरफुल कि जो भी इस टाइप की चीज़ें होती हैं जिनमें यूनिट होती है, एप्लीकेशन प्रॉब्लम्स, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, यू शुड ऑलवेज मेंशन द क्वांटिटी, द यूनिट ऑफ द क्वांटिटी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. ओके, नाउ एरिया ऑफ द सेकेंड पोर्शन रिंग फॉर्म में देखो, ओके. तो एरिया ऑफ रिंग टाइप का जब आता है, तो लास्ट ईयर 9th में भी हमारा आया था रिंग, इफ यू रिमेंबर. दिस कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड एज फ्रॉम द फिगर यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. रेड पोर्शन वुड बी, ये पूरा सर्कल आ रहा है, बिगर सर्कल माइनस दिस स्मॉलर सर्कल. From the bigger circle you remove this bigger inner circle, then you are left with only red portion, okay. So if you are interested in finding area of the red region, that can be outer circle minus the inner circle, ठीक है. Radius till the red one minus the golden one. This way I've just shown you figure here, okay. So this radius was 21 by 2. 21 by 2 is actually 10.5 only. So inner radius आपका आ रहा है 21 by 2, that is 10.5. Then width उसने बताया था कि हमारा हर region 10.5 या which will be obviously equivalent to 21 by 2 thick है. तो जो outer radius क्या हो जाएगा, ये 10.5 है, ये भी 10.5 है. 10.5 प्लस 10.5 या 21 by 2 प्लस 10.5, 21 by 2 प्लस 21 by 2, anyhow you do it, that accounts to. So the radius from center to here, the circle having red color will become 21, okay. So now back to here, calculations. Pi outer radius square minus pi inner radius square. Pi can be again taken common. Outer radius we have worked out here is 21 and the inner radius is 21 by 2, okay. Now this I have opened it by a plus b, a minus b. a square minus b square फॉर्म था, तो a plus b, a minus b कर दिया. इससे कैलकुलेशन ईजी होते हैं. अगेन आपकी विश है, आप चाहो तो इसका स्क्वायर खोलो, इसका स्क्वायर खोलो, लॉट्स ऑफ वर्क, देन सब्ट्रैक्शन. दिस इज ऑलवेज ईजियर, ओके. सो इफ यू अप्लाई दिस, देन pi is 22 by 7, a plus b आपका 63 by 2 हो गया, a minus b 21 by 2 आ रहा है. कैंसिल आउट करो, कैलकुलेशन करो, and you get your area of the red region. Fine. ऐसे ही बाकी regions का भी निकल जाएगा children, okay. So that's sheer calculation. I have left it for you girls, okay. Here for this blue portion, for the blue portion now, area for the blue for radius for the blue one will be, रेड तक का हमारा 21 हो गया था, उसमें एक और विड्थ दैट इज 10.5 ऐड हो जाएगी, तो 31.5 हो गया आउटर रेडियस. इनर रेडियस अब 21 हो जाएगा, ओके. ये मैंने फ्रैक्शन में किया है, ये डेसिमल में, एनी हाउ यू कैन टेक इट. फाइन. सो ऐसे ही आपको फॉर द नेक्स्ट रीजन प्लस 10.5, फॉर द अनदर नेक्स्ट रीजन प्लस 10.5 करके रेडियस बढ़ाते जाना है, एंड देन रेस्ट द सेम वर्किंग. पाई आर ओ स्क्वायर माइनस पाई आर आई स्क्वायर, रेडियाई चेंज होते रहेंगे, ओके. सो कैलकुलेशन है, ट्राई देम ऑन योर ओन. नाउ नेक्स्ट